Now, what in the world happened to the Koenigsegg? We finally have an update in today's video. I'm not going to say it's the best news, but hey, it's not the worst news. Now, unfortunately, the Koenigsegg is not here in the state of Utah. It's actually out in New York City, and why that is, I'm going to explain to you guys in today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different style, kind of like a narration of the story. So we're going to be in New York City, we're going to be back in Utah, back in New York City, back in Utah. Now, today's date, November 28th, 2024. Happy Thanksgiving. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Now, to really tell the story of why the Koenigsegg is in New York City, we got to backtrack to 4 months ago, July 28th, 2024. Here on my Vero account, on that date, I posted this photo right here. This is when I announced the US-Canada giveaway, one of the coolest giveaways we have ever done. Effectively, all you had to do was like and comment on this photo here to get automatically entered in. Now, there's one winner of the giveaway, and the winner gets to pick any car in my car collection. I ship it to them, to their hometown. We hang out, go for a ride in the car, hang out with their friends, basically do whatever the giveaway winner wants to do. And you can see we had nearly 20,000 people enter in this giveaway. I think you guys probably figured out where this is going. The Vero giveaway winner lives in New York City, and he chose the Koenigsegg. I love this startup sequence. It's really just the radar detector, but it sounds so cool. I don't know the exact conversion, but the Koenigsegg is showing 12 degrees Celsius. It is freezing here in Utah. 1,000 horsepower rear-wheel drive Koenigsegg. Maybe not the time or the place to put my foot into it, but at the same time, you gotta hear those turbo spool just a little bit. Well, you guys are probably wondering exactly where the Koenigsegg is headed. So Mike is taking the car off to New York City. Congratulations to David, Pillsbury Lifted Boy. So David was the Vero winner. He got to pick any car in my collection. He has chosen the Koenigsegg. So we're shipping it to his house in New York City. Sophia and I are headed there next week. New York City and a Koenigsegg, not a great idea, but at the same time, congratulations to David.
Now, getting the Koenigsegg off to New York City was a lot more challenging than imagined. Insurance requirements, scheduling conflicts, etc., etc. So David officially won the giveaway on October 1st. Car didn't leave Utah until November 3rd.
Well, we've been in New York City here for 5 minutes and we're already doing the craziest stuff. And yes, that is a Pagani Huayra BC, and I'm filming with one hand on the edge of death in Manhattan traffic. One of the craziest parts about all of this is not the first time this car has been in New York City. This actually stood on the Koenigsegg stand, the New York Auto Show in 2015. This car was here. So it's a return. Yes, sir. To say I'm nervous to drive this thing in New York City is a slight understatement. We got 1,000 horsepower. We got carbon fiber galore in the streets of Gotham. What could possibly go wrong? A lot. We had the Aventador Roadster here. We had the Serrano. Serrano's kind of built for New York City, but a Koenigsegg in New York City, it's a different level of nerves. Now, I got to give a massive, massive shout out to Alan, to Manhattan Motor Cars, to Lamborghini Manhattan, Bugatti Manhattan, Koenigsegg Manhattan, all of them for letting me bring the Koenigsegg here to the dealership. Finding a place to park a semi here in New York City, not as easy as Utah, that is for sure. Lift up Monterey Blue. This is going to be a crazy day here in Gotham.
New York City in a Koenigsegg, middle of November, but it's 70 degrees, there's not a cloud in the sky. I am so incredibly grateful that the weather was amazing, because if it would have rained, this would have been a disaster. So David met us at Manhattan Motor Cars with a bunch of his homies, and he wanted to do a cool photo shoot with the car and the New York City skyline. So we ripped up the West Side Highway all the way up to the George Washington Bridge, crossed over into New Jersey, and then down to this parking garage that has just this absolutely unbelievable view of New York City skyline. Perfect weather, perfect company, car ran great, everything was going good.
Yeah, so that's kind of sort of where the fun ended. Welcome back to Utah. Things were going great in New York City, and then all of a sudden they fell off a cliff real fast. Now we're gonna cut back to the city, but first, today's video has been sponsored by Vero. We're doing another one. We're doing another giveaway. Now, if you're sitting watching this video and you haven't followed me on Vero quite yet, you're gonna wanna change that real quick. Check out the link in the description below. You can download Vero for free. Give me a follow. My username is @TheStradman. As soon as this video drops, I'm posting a photo of the Aventador Roadster. Go leave a like, go leave a comment on that photo on my Vero, and you are automatically entered in to win something very, very cool. It doesn't matter where you live in the world, you are automatically entered in. The car community on Vero is blowing up. I have over 111,000 followers. I post all sorts of crazy behind the scenes car content. You guys are gonna love Vero. There's no ads and there's no algorithm. Now, the winner of this Vero giveaway is going to win. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I told you we sold 299 of them. We actually sold 298 of them. I saved one just for this Vero giveaway. Ladies and gentlemen, the Aventador Roadster from Cami Garage. This is the final one. These sold out. We sold 298 of these in under 2 hours. We have the Liberty Walk limited edition Aventador Roadster signed by yours truly, number 33 of 100. One of you guys is gonna win this. And it really is as easy as that. All you gotta do is leave a like, leave a comment on the photo I'm overlaying over the video right now, and you are automatically entered in. It doesn't matter where you live in the world. Leave a like, leave a comment, and you are immediately eligible. Check out the link below. Join me on Vero. We're headed back to New York City. Koenigsegg, not good. I don't know exactly what's going on with the car right now. It's just backfiring for no reason whatsoever. Unfortunately, there's like no place to pull over. This is not normal though. What in the world? It's just misfiring like crazy. Yeah, that's not good. That is not good. Oh gosh. Sorry, bro. This is not good. We'll figure it out. We're gonna have to get her towed, almost certainly. A gas station's just right up here. Well, Koenigsegg might be staying with you for a while, bro.
No, what happened?
It was misfiring like crazy. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, it was it's just bop, 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 nonstop.
Good thing we have a service center for you.
You got a tow truck?
We'll figure it out.
I don't think I can drive it from here.
Really? Oh, really?
I think so, yeah. Did you hear it misfiring, Soph? It's misfiring like
misfire?
crazy.
That's ridiculous. It sounded like a misfire.
Yeah.
Next to it.
Oh.
Yeah, we're towing it, unfortunately. I think it's being towed from here.
Never a strat video without something bad happening.
A little positivity right there. I love it. David, welcome to the channel, by the way. Welcome to the vlog. The Vero winner. Unfortunately, the Koenigsegg has decided to do self-implode, but we did get one pull. I wonder if it was that pull I did.
Maybe.
I am so glad you are here right now,
I'm
Alan.
glad too.
We already have a tow truck en route.
On its way.
30 seconds later, we got a tow truck en route to a Koenigsegg dealer, Alan Koenigsegg.
You got the right guys.
Yes, I do. I got the best guys.
You know people.
Yes, I do. Well, I know you and you know people, but yeah, same thing. Tow truck's gonna be here soon. We're gonna tow this to Manhattan Motor Cars,
Yes, sir.
Koenigsegg of New York City.
Yes.
And as far as what's gonna happen next, yeah, I don't know. It might be bad gas.
Which way does it go? I don't know.
It could be bad gas.
It
The
could
got
be.
was
It
low
could
on
be.
fuel. Luckily here in Jersey, beautiful Jersey, we got
93. I know.
which is chef's
I
kiss.
was looking for 94. We couldn't find it. We'll stick with 93.
Yeah, 93 will work. I definitely don't want to risk it, but we are going to let her idle for just a little bit, just to kind of see what happens. It seems like in neutral it's totally fine. It's only under load, which kind of makes sense, but because we don't know exactly what's going on. Oh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. Oh, that's a worse sign. This is not looking good. Well, it might be dead. Oh, that's a rough idle. All right, we're just gonna let her idle for a little bit. I don't know exactly what just happened. We have 93 octane though, so it should be good gas. The smell is not quite right either. I wish you guys were here to smell it. It seems to be revving up a little bit. Yeah, it's currently idling at about 1,400 RPMs. It usually sits right around 1,000 too. So we got to get to that parking lot ASAP before we see flames. You can hear it popping like crazy. It's not good. It's not good at all. All right, we got to get out of here. Oh gosh, come on, come on, come on. Oh geez. Yeah. The problem is I can't park here right now. There's a parking lot right over there. I really don't want to cause any more issues with this car. Have them go, have them go. Tell them to go. Come on, come on, come on. Sorry, come on. Let's go. Thank you, sorry. So sorry, my car is gonna self-implode right now. All right, so I'm turning left up here somewhere. I don't know exactly where I'm going. The car is just misfiring like crazy. Oh my gosh. Come on, light. Let's go. This is crazy. Fireball's coming off the exhaust. Every single pop right there. We have no check engine lights right now either. We've got no codes here either. System, warning messages. We got no messages there. Light is now red too. Oh my gosh, I'm too old for this. Koenigsegg self-imploding here in New York City. We were gonna go to Times Square, but unfortunately, obviously that's not happening. Thank goodness though, Manhattan Motor Cars is a Koenigsegg authorized dealership, so the car's gonna go there. We're gonna sort out what's wrong with the car too though, but yeah, not ideal. It seems like it kind of feels like it's running better now. It feels like it's running better now. It's not even misfiring anymore. I don't know. Well, ironically enough, the car is idling completely fine right now. It's bad gas.
Not backfiring anything.
No, it's not misfiring whatsoever. We're totally fine. It feels like the car was really low on gas. There was bad gas in the bottom of the tank. Now that we put that proper fuel in it, it's cleared itself out. But once again, we don't want to risk it because it's the Koenigsegg. Any other car, we'd risk it.
Can't do it.
We can't do it in this car. And the tow truck's gonna be here now in like 15 minutes. I said you were the mayor of New York City.
Yeah.
The tow truck is already here.
Oh, wow.
Who are you?
That's pretty impressive.
Expedited transport.
Wow.
Okay,
They said 30
go.
minutes. It was 3 minutes.
I know, what? That is insane. Also, the color on this G80 is absolutely gorgeous, but right on time, the tow truck has officially arrived. The nice part about all this is that the car seems to be running totally fine now, so we can just roll it up onto the flatbed. Fire side up, totally fine. Sounds good. The smell's gone as well. It had to have been bad gas, but the car is due for service anyway, so it just makes sense. We want to be cautious. I did just notice we now have a low coolant light. I don't know what that is exactly, but this is definitely not the end that we were hoping today. But the good thing is we got a lot of support here, so yeah, such is life. Well, that is one sad Koenigsegg right there, but I do got to admit that Monterey Blue is just glistening though. Best looking car you ever see on a tow truck. Well, the Koenigsegg might have broken. He was riding the Technica. Ride like a Lamborghini, old reliable. You can always count on the V10s here in New York City. Dude, you're making me look bad. What? You just went for the ride of your life. And the Koenigsegg is somewhere. It's gonna be here soon. One right on time every time. One dead Koenigsegg. Gotta admit though, on a flatbed, she's a looker, that's for sure. We're gonna pop it on right here. Money, money. In New York, you just dump it wherever you'd like. The car's not misfiring anymore, but something definitely sounds funny. I'm not exactly sure what it is. So you can see the car is idling really rough right there. That's what it was doing right before it started misfiring. And of course, back inside the craziest office I've ever seen any single human man ever have, by appointment only. Jeez. This guy, you're bougie. You sell Bugattis.
I am bougie now.
Bugatti Tourbillon, the Bugatti Tourbillon. That's my French accent.
It's an Italian accent.
Is that Italian? Why did it say
It's a
French?
French company.
Je ne parle pas
That's
Italiano.
better. That's better.
You see?
Not bad.
Not bad.
You got to work on your Spanish.
Hete tres RS. Hete tres.
He speaks Spanish so well. Like the only word
You speak Spanish?
No, we're talking about you.
Oh, yeah.
The only,
Oh.
the only word you know is GT3.
Yeah, that you've heard.
No. Por favor. Well, Alan, it's time
sir.
to buy a car.
It is, oh, that's
We
fun.
need a ride.
We have a
We're-
few.
We got a lot
Where
of
do we start?
options.
We got
We're-
lots of choices
What's
here.
for sale? You guys sell everything.
We do.
We
sell-
got a brand new Countach.
We do.
Is that for sale, actually?
It is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a, okay, what do you think, David? Revuelto, Countach, Huracan?
I'll say Revolto.
Oh, wait, you got the key in your hand? How do you have the key? How did you know?
I just
You're always ready. Always ready. The Grigio Queso. Well, no?
Telesto.
Oh, this Telesto? I thought this was a Queso.
So is the matte light
Oh, no,
gray.
I know.
This is-
Oh, okay. This is not one of the predetermined cars.
Actually, it is.
Oh, it is? Really? I didn't know they did that.
was.
They did Telesto.
Yes, they did
This is sick with the red interior. I got a Countach, I got an Espada.
You need
we
a
can make a
you
deal.
need a Revolta.
No, I'm
Oh,
gonna
a
trade. We do a little wheel deal.
We can figure that out.
This spec is actually crazy. This is Batman spec too.
It's very
Telesto is so clean.
with Rosso Alala.
No, we gotta get the zoom in on that. Say that again.
Rosso Alala.
Rosso, alala.
Alala. Rosso, alala. I love it. Okay. I will say, under these lights, it looks absolutely amazing. Blue Seabass Technica looking crazy as well. But yeah, the idle, it's just a little choppier. It almost sounds more like a Cam V8 ever so slightly. So headed on to the car elevator. Service here at Manhattan Motor Cars is on the 3rd floor, actually. It smells awful too. The smell is so much more. It smells like car elevator sicko. It's so wide, industrial car elevator. Car elevator here at Manhattan Motor Cars is very, very cool though. Very, very industrial. And we say bye to the Koenigsegg. Well, that pretty much sums it up. New York City and the Koenigsegg. Didn't quite go how we were hoping, but David, awesome dude, Vero winner. Cannot thank him enough for just being super understandable. We had a ton of fun the first half of the day. Even when the car broke down, he still had such a great attitude. I cannot thank all the homies at Manhattan Motor Cars. You guys know Koenigsegg takes the best care of their clients. Car's gonna be sorted out in a matter of a couple days, maybe a week or so. Obviously, we gotta ship it from New York City back here to Utah. As far as what's wrong with the car, spark plugs, vacuum line, and a fuel regulator. No big deal. Cars break. At the end of the day, the Koenigsegg Agera, mine's a 2013. It's 11 years old. I've put nearly 4,000 miles on that car this year, and I've had not one single hiccup. So I cannot thank all the homies at Koenigsegg and Manhattan Motor Cars. On that bombshell, that beautiful bombshell, today's video is over.